Hello, welcome to Coconut Chats, and my name is Indu Kejriwal, and here's another episode of Common Threads. And we have with us young and energetic Gauri Anand Srivastava, who is the daughter of yesteryear's music maestro Anand Milanji. So, Gauriji, welcome to the show. So,
Thank you.
we'd like to know about you.
Okay, so currently, well, I am assisting my father in
Mm-hmm.
music production and music direction.
Okay.
But if we talk about from an education perspective, I was a science student till grade 12, and
Okay.
my inclination was towards bio and chemistry. After which I did BA in International Hospitality and Tourism Management from ITM IHM Oshivara, and it
Okay.
was a dual degree certification with affiliation to Queen Margaret University, Scotland. So I was very sure about that this is going to be my line of work. So I went, I did my master's, I did my MSc in tourism and hospitality from the University of Sunderland in the UK. But that was just when COVID happened. I was lucky enough to be back home when just before the lockdown. And that was quite a tough time for me, but my parents were very encouraging and very supportive. I'm very privileged that way that you take your time, let's wait and watch, let's see where the world is headed, and then think about working. And that's when I reconnected to music, and that's how I got into it.
Okay. So, why did you switch your line of work? Like, what made you switch into music?
It was COVID actually, very simple, because it gave me, I think, a year and a half to really explore the field. And
Mm-hmm.
I was doing nothing. I was at home, so I would help my father out. And then I realized this is something that doesn't feel like a chore. It doesn't feel like a job. I'm enjoying it.
Okay.
तो अगर आपको कोई चीज अच्छी लग रही है और आप enjoy कर रहे हैं तो उसे ही क्यों ना करें.
Yeah,
That was the
very true. So, COVID gave that time to you for you to realize, right?
yeah, absolutely.
So, thanks to COVID.
Thanks to COVID in a way. Yeah, shouldn't say that, I think, but okay.
I know, I know.
Yeah.
On a broader perspective, if you say, yeah, we shouldn't be
I
saying
think it was, yeah, it was a blessing for some people, and I know it was how
it's
tough
true.
it was for others.
Yeah, it's very true. So, why did you study anything related to performing arts?
Well, because see, okay, like you said, I'm Srivastav. So I'm a Kayast.
Okay,
We come from this very, my family is very much into education.
okay,
So my grandfather was a music director as well. He was Chitragupt in the 1950s, 60s. That's when he worked. And he had a double MA in political science and economics.
okay.
Right. And Papa has done BSc in botany, diploma in business management, and he was just getting started with LLB when he got his first movie.
Oh,
And my uncle is an MA in sociology. So education was so important that I never thought about music as a field that I wanted to go in. It never struck me. It always felt like हाँ हॉबी है पियानो बजा लेती हूँ गा लेती हूँ हाँ ठीक है. बट दैट एजुकेशन वाला जो एक वाइब था ना, क्योंकि घर में माहौल हमेशा वैसा ही रहा है.
mm-hmm.
मुझे पढ़ाते भी पापा ही थे. तो दैट इज व्हाई इट नेवर क्रॉस्ड माय माइंड अंटिल कोविड. सो
Okay. So you never got time to reflect on whatever you wanted to do, right? It was COVID that gave you that opportunity.
yeah, I mean, I was very certain that I'm enjoying hospitality. I will do it. And
Okay.
I was good at it. I got it. I was like, my BA में मुझे डिस्टिंक्शन मिला, मास्टर्स में मेरिट मिली, तो मुझे तो था कि हाँ चलो ये लाइन मेरी है और मैं फिट हो गई हूँ यहाँ. बट देन व्हेन थिंग्स चेंज्ड, ऐसा चलो ठीक है, गाड़ी जहाँ भगवान लेके जाते वहां जाते, चलो ओके लेट्स सी.
So God had another plans for you.
Absolutely. Absolutely. It's all his doing.
True, true, true. So now what are your future plans?
Very simple goals. I just want to make music. I
Mm-hmm.
wanted to reach to the audience, and I just want their love and support and encouragement. बस फुलफिल होके अच्छे से काम करना है और लोगों तक अपने गाने पहुंचाने हैं.
So your expectations from the work you're doing.
Expectations from the work, I could say that I should be very creatively satisfied with whatever I do.
True, very true.
R- Right, and I am very blessed to be privileged in a way that I can choose and what I would like to do, what I would not like to do, I have that option because of, मैं पापा की वजह से। तो मेरा है कि मैं जो भी करूं ऐसा कुछ करूं जो मुझे, मैं सिर्फ वही रट में नहीं फंसी रहूं। मैं रैट रेस वाली कभी रही नहीं हूँ, इट्स नेवर बीन माय थिंग, नीदर इन स्कूल नॉर इन कॉलेज। बट वट एवर आई डू, एट द एंड ऑफ द डे आई शुड बी वेरी हैप्पी विद माई वर्क।
Very true.
या, सो दैट इज इट। मेरा बहुत क्लियर गोल है कि जो बनाओ मुझे सेटिस्फैक्शन मिले, मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली।
Yeah, that's very true. पहले खुद को satisfaction हो, then you were able to give your best, isn't it?
एब्सोल्युटली।
Yeah.
जब हम अच्छा प्रोडक्ट बनाते हैं तो आई फील एज क्रिएटिव पीपल, व्हेन वी आर वेरी हैप्पी विद व्हाट वी मेड, वो कहीं ना कहीं ऑडियंस को फील भी होता है।
हाँ, anything
दैट्स व्हेन
you
दैट
make,
कनेक्ट
हाँ.
हैपेंस।
Yeah, yeah, that's absolutely true. Anything which you do it from your heart definitely reaches other hearts, isn't it?
एब्सोल्युटली,
Yeah.
डेफिनेटली।
So, Gauriji, what are the challenges that you're facing in your work, we would say?
I think the biggest challenge right now is to, learning the way the technology is evolving.
Mm-hmm.
So, it's like there's a lot to learn. Music production, you need to know music production if you are becoming a music director. At least the basics have to be clear. But the basics are just evolving so fast.
Very
There's so
true.
much happening. You can't stop learning.
That's true.
You know,
Absolutely.
whichever सॉफ्टवेयर you're using, आपको उसकी जानकारी होनी बहुत जरूरी है। तो पूरा एक्चुअली प्रोडक्शन तो करते ही, गाना बनाते भी हैं and हमारा रिसर्च भी चालू रहता है कि क्या नया फीचर आया है, क्या
Hmm.
हम उसे कैसे यूज कर सकते हैं ऑल। तो वो सबसे मेन मेरे हिसाब से,
I know.
मेरे लिए अभी तक हो ही रहा है।
आज के टाइम में every day you have something new coming up.
एग्जैक्टली,
And to keep yourself updated with that is at times really challenging.
बिल्कुल,
Right.
वेरी ट्रू।
Yeah. So, do you see AI as a threat to the music industry?
आई सी ए आई मोर एज अ पार्टनर देन अ थ्रेट,
Hmm.
because I feel music or any creative line of work is such a field where that human touch is very important.
Very true.
We speak from a technical perspective, we've already been using AI. The entire music production system is now on the computer.
That
We
is
produce
true.
song, right, with live recordings the way they used to be. That has changed, right? We're all on the computer. So, but the only thing is now AI has evolved to a very to a very strange stage, I would say, in a way, that it, yeah, there are people who put in prompts and they can produce for complete songs, but I feel if you don't know the, at least even the basics of music theory, if you don't have music in you or the skill for music direction and composing, uh, AI को आप सिर्फ साथ में लेके चल सकते हो। So
Mhm.
make it your friend, make it your partner, don't be scared of it.
Yeah, absolutely. AI also opens a lot of portals for us to discover more and more, isn't it?
Absolutely,
जो
yeah,
चीज़
yeah,
मैं
yeah.
सोच भी नहीं सकते थे, if we take the help of AI, we can really create which we had even not even thought of it, isn't it?
Exactly. So when you mix that with somebody who knows what they're doing in any line of work,
Mhm.
तब तो प्रोडक्ट तो अच्छा ही बनेगा ना, जो भी बन रहा है।
So you don't see as a threat. In fact, you can take it beside you and walk along with that.
Yeah, I see it as a partner or as a friend कि हाँ ठीक है, this is a companion that's gonna be with us now for life.
Very
So
true.
we have, right, we have to figure out how to keep him or her, whatever you want to call AI, के तो नाम भी आजकल जेमिनी है और
अलग
ये और
अलग है.
but आप उसको जो भी बोले, आप उसे कैसे अपनी जिंदगी में रखना चाहते हैं वो आपके ऊपर है।
Yeah, 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 absolutely. So, Gauriji, one more last question I would like to ask you is Creative transitions can be emotionally and physically demanding, isn't it? So, what helps you stay grounded or regulated when things feel uncertain or overwhelming?
Well, I meditate. I'm very spiritual. So, meditations and any kind of like meditation, puja part genuinely helps me a lot to keep me grounded. And other than that, I think because I'm born in such a family where I've learned a lot from my father, these things.
Okay.
That I've seen him when he's working constantly, and I've seen him when he's just relaxing at home. There's no change in his attitude.
Oh, wow.
ही ट्रीट्स वो हाँ कि काम है तो है नहीं है तो नहीं है अब अपने आप को अफेक्ट नहीं होने देना
Mm-hmm.
एंड माय मॉम इज द सेम वे
Okay, that's great.
राइट सो बिकॉज आई सीन दैट कहीं ना कहीं इट्स ऑलरेडी इन माय सिस्टम की ठीक है कुछ नहीं बैठा तो नहीं बैठा मेरे लिए शायद कुछ बेटर लिखा है यू नो बैठा तो बैठा एंड अदर देन दैट ग्राउंडिंग के लिए तो मैं मेडिटेशंस तो करती हूँ तो
So you're born, like you've grown up with those values and those
या
grounding things.
या
Oh, that's great. Absolutely amazing. Okay, Gauriji, thank you so much for the time you have given us, and thank you for the sharing everything about you. So thanks once again. Thank you so much for being here with us.
थैंक यू फॉर हैविंग मी थैंक यू
Okay, thank you.